Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook language. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, this is really useful to go and do if you can't understand the language that Facebook in, or you just want to change to something else. So, let's go and get started. So, first of all, what we need to do is to go and tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, what you need to do is go and scroll down and find settings and privacy. The icon is of a gear or cog icon. Just tap there. Now what you need to do is come down the list and look for the option for language. Just click on it. If you are using iPhone just like me, it will redirect you to this page. Just click onto language, choose the language you want to change to. For example, I'll choose Arabic. As you can see, if you go back to Facebook, we can see that the language changed. So that's it. That is how to change Facebook language. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.